Enti adomonline.com wo afi na wo hye ye mo achesonkon ye mo akwaba afi na ade ato ha ya sha se da wonum tuo mu na Apostle Dr. Niteku be hye ye nkran na ne ade news na ba ene ade agodie mu nsam no ato aso a ye de bon krata ne adomonline stories any health tips and so to aso ye be be phone lines no na so de odie aba be ka ho nti ye sha se de a adomonline.com ye di kan aka say don't force your lifestyle on others. Bishop Takia boy ya chechiri mo ediamo no so ho asem enie afio se self-centeredness among men of God affecting the work of God. And they say nyame nipa fo no mu according to Bishop Takia boy no aso ono ahu no ho kra so nyame bibia is about him awrade asem no omoja to be bi kura no tese omo a and affecting nyame djuma because they say no video bi akwesi mi hu ye osofo so wakotoka for the church and akwani say so pastor can I drive so no then for the church and then say oh say so the assurance ka akotoka no wasa de aba it we yes auto pressure to system ne mu postcar assurance wo hwe ni pe wo mfia bi o now to say every day no omo nje na wo pastor wo de reach wo hu to hwe aye nti ene asam no na down 49-year-old fisherman jail for defiling 13-year-old girl at Mumford. Akwa no a osi akwa awia ne sikenti ode bete ne ka no.
Yeah.
E de natum. Em some dey to 10 years. Amunya no kura nto we. Ko ba na bibia ewu. Kura ketwa 13 years. Wan goto no munasa na anya dey. Adai. Obi abayo a we breaking the virginity wo. And enya kwampa so. We rape no. Ti akura wo benyini nyina no. Na woni tirim ohu be makura na ne yebo hye no. Adai. Penimu te sew onana mu a akora wo betumi ayo onana de ne ho anya omobo ade a akono bai mobo nwema nketenkete we nyina we munya se castrate omo nipa bi sei okoda ho asa ma ye de tass atua ne ama na aduane adi wo sa no na se feeling bi ani no ho biem onye hwe ofiri mu fi a ode be yesua de mo ma ne nokro no mu nyina be bia mo de ne kolo tete gatesi mu Omo yesa nke kure mu nyina ye kama. Tubadomonline.com and also ewa ha osi Labor Minister rewards nurse Abdul Latif with 5,000. Nye na juma penti. Wanya 5k ahye no ho. To so yire wo ho. Ya juma ni yie. Na so de ye ba. Mo ni mre obi de kakra na awon mo ni so na yire wo ho. Na ye juma den. Esika die na koso no. Ya beka ECD ya chiama no pay mamu akwaba me so some nyina mo ho ye billion kwasi ina beka me na ye the billion ade 1 million na do 26 million kwasi se communication no o si media no media ben ya no want so nkan mo media team no ho how
sure
announcement nyina mo de ba ne ya ye
ye ti ha ne ye 7 million
sikadie pa ni Mese metia na meyam. Ati wo yesi eniska. Wan hwe akwasi wan hwe asam no. Wan hwe be kan okura na wo de kan de na.
Ba be fa daily graphic de bokata ento aso na yenkwafia. Was a city hit 60th march to vice president calls for safeguarding currency's integrity. GNPC pushes ahead to take charge of all oil projects. Enti GNPC for CM fem wa odu aye tu o man Ghana nyina fedie. Wakasa de won tabai e ba be cruise so na be Ghana so be nya fefa kase pa President announces state funeral for Nana Kunadu Admiral Run. So man baji Nana Kunadu Admiral Run say you know aye the kese pa e wo kra krodwemu e de man daily graphic and anyway ba ne anopain. The Ghanaian Times city at 60 let's sustain stability. Ma pene be de che de kase se enkankwa ye nya Ghana sikam no ye man ko so ento aso sa ma Ghana adehiem. 3.4 billion Ghana cedis injection strengthens NHIS. Chief of Staff Adebetuja Ejem say Aban Aspendis of close to 3.4 billion Ghana cedis. And the era National Health Insurance Committee no kwa unya doctor for me to show empamo emawo enkofi. President Mahama why visit family of Nana Kunadu Admiral Rollins. Mampedi John Rahman Manabusia for akwatra the Rollins ebusia. The Ghanaian Times the Bokata enso edonom. The Chronicle or the Paul Afokofoni Abba. Was the NPP chairmanship race. Enter Paul Afoko. eti powerful kwa saba biem no year 2014 watermelon no oso saba be biem e wo the next chairmanship race wo NPP amjokodem ECG overspent budget by 189 million Ghana cedis. PAC refers former managers to Attorney General. Tentem. Samira engages Baumia's campaign. It energizes Baumia campaign for chairman. It is a Mammy Samira so copy and free month of the fear brande. Said no campaign no. The Chronicle of Wakata, I don't know. Daily Guide. Gay bill died with 8th parliament. Speaker, and my your film chairman like saying, as a gay bill na ba my your film no ewu. Yes, your 9th parliament. My your for brave from a fra. To so be anya kwaya no tumbi. Eti near wo ba ndi ewu. Yes, I'm quite fro and some fambra. Barry Lumba as shadowed court. Eti court about to just 6 December no. I was avoid me see that Lumba. Mo bia to fason chebia and to so. Who to me escapes bench warrant. Abra court board called to see a cofanimra pet. No, see you, Yamam, you mean, the lawyer said, court to Hokra, but time, no. Yeah, what's the mean, you die? Such as you catch a sort, now say, Mount 9, 8:30 now. No, let me say, well. Daily Guide, the Wakata Adom. Discover. Speaker Babin and Ayariga clash over reintroduction of LGBTQ plus bill. Just say no penny coin, I show your film. But show your film chairman of freedom kase banduni. Eish, we can't to sa. Game will answer semia. We say I can die for Baumia for his good heart. NPP. Cape Coast North Chairman Suneka so was one in Kwakra bar for ye. Emma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be Mampenu or Ghana. Why ye crowd say obey sad no Ediamano. They discovered the Wakata and so and if you President why the other so man from Metroless and ye na ye quiet the The Metroless Chief of Staff endorses NHIA illegal payment tax force. You see, homophobic claims if you so many call NHIA saying penifone job can. Kalabule say chum. I don't want tax force some more education. She was like, I know force pa. Then the babua. It's me ma. Can't call any paper ya juma or NHIA for payment no emo. The Metroless as soon anyway a ban and pay. I fear she can so headline. I can see a headline or pay a day bar. Most more Ghana for you use electricity. Obeto wiki mana sano wasato otewa na oma basi yatutumu nesa Ghana for we na se ye ni brekwa na ba ya ko ma ba tintumu
na no kura wo ho anya so omuntumu e wo ho na implementation na maye e beba so
ye ni bre na maye
na enu akwasi se de wa woni mu dadai park sitting ya public account committee sitting ya na ECG bosses no buy no be yi sama no ye 2024 de Hey, minti be fama no nka. Minti be fama ni hu. Sika pen. Adan ye di ho abro so man sa. ECG. Ano pa me chia mo. Adai, enti mo amo kra na metie figures na me say ada omni accountant. The accountant will check like sika ni bi brobo so no undimi nyi MD amane SND. Sika we di abro so yes enti mo ntime nya tell say e ba public account committee and na auditor general any report be ba nsan mo hu ana sika di e pani enti nya mo dia ya ban dia enti se de tie bia no say spending is wow ya mo di o ni ete ha ne ye bre no bi de ka 100 cedis 200 enti ya ko twa ne light mu fe sika mo die where the head wo
yes omo budget 31.8 million say omo ne betu kwan ewi eche no mo spend 91 million kanisika 910 billion
ya me strong ka kanisika ye twa kanini mu ye wo ka
yes oh that be see the na
because you cannot know thing
yes so mo tu kwan be da hotel say na wontimi na abontin na eno no o budget 9.3 million ewi eche no spend 12.2 million 120 billion. Afe ombe shiesha santrefo. Ebe media workshops. Any ade media sensitization. Santrefo adu emu ntia samra ne nchirechire mu. Initial mo patwo say come the 4.2 million cedis na bench. We actually must spend 7.9 million Ghana cedis. Publicity. Ya mo amane ebi ene ebedum kanea. There be a fort about me, a stumble and church, and a person ye, and mamma fortress, your community way. I could share my for no macas, and with me at once. Cast the 5.7 million Ghana cedis and a baby said, "Man,
hey,
a rate of 21.8 million Ghana cedis."
Ah, announcement we cry more the buy ya cranny, you one near Ayeka, and whom 21 what million
Industrial relations.
I know you're there.
Say, Yankasi, you our budget is only 2 million. I have credit himself. I would say a chini pato.
Hey.
Our budget is only 2 million Ghana cedis. If you remember, you reach only 13.1 million Ghana cedis.
Are they? I'm sorry, I'm about a MP
consultants,
ministers.
Yamper consultant.
Hey,
no munya neman fama ye enwi neman. Your budget is 40 million Ghana cedis. You reach normally 58 million Ghana cedis.
Sikadie.
Ye be kwa mono ne akotre ne ye manfo. Ye si bia na sika betimi aso ye 40 million Ghana cedis. Ewi echenom de 29.8 million Ghana cedis.
Ade.
And I oversee
we nya nkrata we nya papers ne ye keka na ye sika.
Afia enu a Felix Kwacho Fosu, Minister for Government Communication by. When him said the over 2,000 containers ECG ekra ba Ghana no.
Aye.
Na na eme wo no mehia just 10 years later.
Na me se ba ku bi kro mo sa kan ye ne se sa prepaid yi ni ade. Senka wo say meter no. Ankwa ni kwa so mo ton ma ye. Enso kwa ko pe bi na ye ton ma. Den so ye se ye free wo.
Yes.
Director Odaroma me entie yi park figures no kwasi akeka de ye nsa mo so bie na mo de monte. Wo de mu hwe mo.
9.3 million was your budget, but you spent 12.2. Staff fuel. Hey, did they drive around the world? Budget was 2.8, and you spent 3.6 million. Communication expenses, ECG. Your budget was 4.2, but you spent 7.9 million. Consultancy. Budget was 40 million, but you spent 58.6 million. All these you did it on your own without even board approval. Industrial relations. Your budget was 2 million, but you spent 13 million. Stakeholders' expenses. Your budget was 3.1 million, and you spent 49 million. And you want to increase our tariffs. Publicity. Your budget was 5.7, and you spent 21.8 million. Professional fees and subscription. You were supposed to spend 731,000 cedis, and you spent 1.5 million. Overseas travel expenses. You were supposed to spend 14 million, and you spent 29.8 million. Call center expenses. You were supposed to spend 23.5 million, you spent 29.3 million. So budget approval was for 144 million, you spent 333 million. That's excess of 189.2 million. This shows financial indiscipline. And the recommendation over here is that sanctions under Section 96 of the Public Financial Management Act 216, Act 921, should be applied to the officers involved. We also urge management to efficiently monitor and control the company's expenses. CEO, those managers who were involved, I'm recommending that they need to face the Attorney General for prosecution. It's just simple and short.
Attorney General nya mesco. Yes, sir. Anu odin sika we nyina.
Efebia no obi nti sika na ye kana se 189 million Ghana cedis excess no. Ebetimi asi classroom blocks 6 unique classroom blocks 189
akwan kura
it assume say you were classroom blocks 6 unique classroom blocks 189 unim kwada e be yi omo free school under tree enu ahwe sa assume senior high school yeah we will need not more than 2 million Ghana to betimi complete this project with
serious
189 million Ghana is excess say if an be a fire but because akwakoye abadem yem ka say akoye abayentini say omni entumuni ba Ghana ni upompo chia na betua
e na ade no so no kwasi chese de ye areho ne say me antu omo ni nche na auditors ho
omo o ado mo say that's what we kaba omo nyina ni
ye mie na so kan de emre na so kakra bi 0302211701 702 703 de emre no ko akisimi abaye mo ache mo akwa aba wo ba ko straight wadaroma na afoforo nso mra be me ne ntie o
ya sister fia me da se ma mentia Roger Afare Tando ogbo adwuma obakwati sabio ye se akunani wada se amapa no na nwumre so wodro ndi obedi no da me kan sem bi se assembly ma allowance na mai ma wo che yebo ana wo che me bote obefre ye wo so ofre no assembly ma fo nyina so mo no ya adwene ti ye sere wo apakwati ye dan wo enti pusu na dro bi anka dem me da wa se akisimi makra
ye da se me da for no pay ye mo ache 2 pm
yeah
2 pm ye mo ache o
mejo so akwati ene minu aba
ye da se enti o
yango
anu pay mo ba so o se chief of staff de mechia no ne honorable Amankwa Joseph MC adwumawura owo Mamponte kwa Breeze akwati green one na ko wai
be da se
ai akwati mesre ye ECG eniama ekoso wo no akwati entwaye mia mete wo no mo bobo we se ne ko anam si everade ti sai ska we nyina wo Ghana ha ti e be sere mpanifo ye so mutu ho na mo omuntu ho na mo na biem so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia akwati nsem bi bobo o
so ya do fe ye mo ache mo akwaba ya
minu aba meje so na menche watiefo na se na mintimu kana me yaji mintimuamenche wati menche ni moyan fa ku su jombo di ni mpan fam pigin pan foni a megidi se mini ko sin shana oboshi kana oboti te sikana mesere momo because we no be kasa se na sikana mo bona ai won tiati o huni se sikana but mo boti sikana e de mesere se mpan fo omo fo mo nyina mra no because ye tela de ya bro ye kimi di battery si jaso ni ye karita sa ni ye dimri kakikikiki adwuma ye de ye pe eti se mo beti sika we de sisi apartment akasia katia de renti da ati mo ma ni ye bra akwasi yo papa de bu ye mi hwe mo TV na na me la chasa sika ye tia
asamo
omo fo mo famra kwanso ye kasa nchi omo me kwanso sa me ne mi chira mo ma famu ye
ya da se papa ya ofofro nso so ye fa be 2 course bi ne fancy me da fo ye mo ache mo akwaba facha ye 0302211701 702 703 704 emfa be 2 course bi ni ho dia eda mo se ni mako aba ni mako ye mo ache mo akwaba
me josu ni aba na se mama chen
eda se
mo su ni aduma
da se na
ma se di fo sika se ya ni nyina be ka ho asem kakra
yate
na de me sura ba ni nyina so mo na ni nko ni ni madi hu ye because ye be kan se ya na tena akọje be 3 pounds am dia na akọye bregu ye yesre nyina ni se omo monitor institutions ni nyina o man ya se bi akọje bo sia ne de be bo grade ye ye sika se ni se ye be sere mpe na o kamite ye di ye bi kebi echi osuan ha more than be 1 year asa je ye san kamite na o ko kamite osuan ha ba ku itimi do 25 million o Ghana
wow
asa na o sa kamite na mo yet mo fosi na ma sa fa skene se dia semwaye
Joshua ye last caller yemfa Joshua so jo yemo akwaba
me Joshua mama
ya da se papa na he na wo hwe fia no pay
e fra fi ko boduma se
wa no ma yenti o
wo yesi di fo no ni omu ni ye ni re ngo ye kura o omo ma ko bo fo babelia ye kan no e potuo ni nyamonyemo bebri na sila yes gabe bebe de kura no mu di ye wo krumu na mu di o babelia tu ko bo fo so ye kan ya omu di so da fo bebru ye na yes gabe bebe
over the other. Chrono fita say the other. Obi to aso mama.
Yada say. Yada say. Ever ba kon ka ho na ye. Ai, ano odin. Sika na ano odin.
We dey also for the no so mechire.
There is one come media team no.
I be also mechire yes. Ni workshop do omo ye. How much you spend hotels ben omo ko die. So facilitators ben e buy. Said the Jan Centre for we are talking about 79 billion old cities. You know, when you can get what they can once. Hey, see, the Centre for your dear number Centre. And what was the impact?
We are lighting in our Juma, ne doom, ne sonny, corner, banner, corner, what Jessica went to money a day. Hey, 79 billion for Centre for. Better, be. That's a mobile mobra.
That be.
No be. Eh, no, why you say
you want to believe said and say meet your man penny attorney general and the auditor general have here no. Some of these cases no be referred to them. Now yes, shame be once auditor general can say buka o dey job care. E chire bo be mi so. Yeah, obi be procurement, obi be an obo mu a and pass o ye twama. O man aboka 189 million Ghana cedis. O se be chire.
Yeah, beje.
Osi be chire.
Enti en fa health tips na nto aso wiki bu nyina ye fibroid de ho nkobon de ye die. Ti we ye nche 5 minutes ni awie wadon ma tie bibra ye kwaba.